it's me again, I'm Lena, and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape Group. In this video, I'll be talking about my first DE, which is My Progress Week 97. So in this video, I'll be talking about my 5 main parts, which is what have I learned, my intentions, the improvements I've made, the discussion in the meeting, and finally the works for next week. So let's get started on my first part, which is what have I learned. Well, last week I have learned about the A&E department, what is the A&E department, when to go, when to not go, and what are some of the components of the A&E department. I also learned about statistical techniques and tools that are used to analyze data within the healthcare and medical field. So those are the things that I have learned. Moving on, my intentions for this week. Well, this week I have 3 main intentions, which is sending in my feedback, sending in my works and the meeting plan on time and before the deadline, and also follow my schedule strictly. So those are my intentions for this week. Next, the improvements that I have made in the last week. Well, I felt that my writing was better. I have improved my writing, and also I've been more careful in my typos, especially in my presentation. So those are the things that I have improved. For the discussion in the meeting, well, this week in the meeting, we just discussed over 3 main parts, which is the reflection. The self-reflection is the intentions and the improvements. The math in healthcare is the D3 review. We just review our problems and ways of solving the D3. And lastly, the main work, we gave presentations of the A&E department and also took turns asking each other questions, testing each other's comprehension of the A&E department. So basically that is the discussion in the meeting. Well, Mrs. Pratt said that we need to discuss about the changes that Mrs. Pratt sent it into the group. So I felt that we should read the messages carefully and follow that part, implement that into our meeting plan. So we should have a part for the changes and also discuss on the D1 and the D3. So that is the discussion in the meeting. Lastly is the works for next week. Now, since Kennedy requested that she would not do the D3, I will only be doing the D3 this week. So the D3 Mrs. Pratt will send in later, and the D1 is the progress week 97. Now, the D2 and the main work will be on pharmacy roles and prescription, where we will talk about the pharmacy roles, some examples of prescriptions, and things that are related to that specific topic. So that is all I have to say for my progress week 97. I hope that you will review something from this video, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!